Hello and welcome to Design Engineer's Cart. In today's world, we rely heavily on search engines to find information quickly and easily. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most useful AI search engines that are changing the way we search for information. 1. U.com, an AI-powered search engine that provides a visual experience with daily background photos. It's great for video searches and has an AI-powered feature that suggests relevant content as you type. U.com aims to revolutionize the search experience by offering personalized results based on the user's preferences and history. 2. Como AI. Como AI Search is an AI-powered search engine that prioritizes speed, privacy, and ad-free browsing. It provides a unique search experience by putting the user's search journeys first, instead of simply providing a list of links. 3. Waldo. Waldo is an AI-powered search engine launched in 2023 that claims to offer a superior search experience with a focus on productivity, personalization, and data insights. Waldo differentiates itself from other search engines by allowing users to auto-tune search queries and customize the interface to their preferences. It provides data points, contact information, insights, and more, which can be exported for further analysis. 4th, Perplexity.ai. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered chatbot and search engine that uses machine learning and natural language processing to respond to user questions. Perplexity AI scours the web and provides suggestions and sources in response to user queries. It also offers a feature that enables users to save search threads and share them with other users, making it easier to collaborate on research projects. Perplexity AI has received positive reviews for its effectiveness and efficiency, and its chatbot-like interface offers a unique alternative to traditional search engines. 5. Andy. Andy is a search engine that leverages artificial intelligence and other advanced technologies to provide accurate, ad-free, and privacy-focused results. Andy uses a new type of search engine powered by generative AI combined with live data and semantic search technology. This allows Andy to provide answers to complex questions, rather than just links, as seen in traditional search engines. 6. Yacey, a decentralized, open-source, peer-to-peer search engine. Unlike mainstream search engines that rely on a central server, Yacey operates on a distributed P2P network. This means there's no central authority or server where your information is stored. All users are equal, and there's no central controlling authority. This ensures that your search history remains private and isn't used for malicious purposes. Once Yacey is installed, you can customize your search experience by modifying certain settings. 7. Ecosia. Ecosia is a search engine that plants trees when you search. It is a non-profit organization that uses the revenue from its searches to plant trees in areas that need them most. Ecosia has planted over 173 million trees since it was founded in 2009. Ecosia is a great way to help the environment while you are searching the web. If you are looking for a search engine that is both green and ethical, then Ecosia is a great option. 8. Yep. Yep is a creator-friendly search engine that aims to provide a better experience for users and more opportunities for content creators. The team behind Yep believes that the traditional model of search engines generating more revenue from content than its creators is outdated, and they're creating a new model where search engines and content creators can coexist and thrive. Yep will share 90% of its ad revenues with content creators, which is a significant shift from the traditional model where search engines keep most of the ad revenue for themselves. 9. Bing. It's the second largest search engine after Google, offering essential functions like search, translation, flight tracking, etc. Bing's web search is powered by its own index of websites, which is updated regularly and uses artificial intelligence to improve the quality of its search results. So there you have it, some of the most popular AI search engines that are changing the way we search for information. With the power of AI technology, these search engines can understand the context of our queries and provide more accurate and personalized results. Thanks for watching.